Today we're going to present you a beautiful 1970 Jaguar XKE Series 2. It's powered by the famous 4.2 liter straight six, 245 horsepower, 260-ish foot-pounds of torque. It's made it to a 4-speed transmission and a limited slip rear end. This is a comprehensive restoration done in the late 2000s. We will showcase the documentation below. If you guys want to find out full details on this ride, see underside shots and a full gallery down there. Today we're going to give you guys a beautiful review. Let's do it. Let's start off with the overall condition report. I would give this one an 8.5 out of 10. That's an 85% out of 100. The only reason for that lower rating, this is a mechanically completely sorted machine, would be some paint imperfections. So this was painted in the late 2000s. I believe that putting a car cover on this with the engine warm caused some delamination on the paint. So you're gonna see some bubbling throughout. If you click on the link below, we'll have up close photos of it, along with some video clips of the actual paint imperfections. But overall, body fitment, very, very nice. Underneath is nice and clean. When you look down the body sides, we just had this comprehensively polished. Looks very nice. All even tones, there's no scratches in it. All your rubbers are in really nice shape too. You do have your spoked wheels, and what I like, they updated the front brakes to Willwood calipers, and it still retains, it's a full Willwood kit actually. That's fantastic. You have your knockoffs here, Jaguar insignia. I would rate the chrome more so driver quality because there are minor imperfections. So you'll have some scouring, some of the chrome has some etching in it, but overall shows very well. That's the reason for that rating. Opening up the driver's side door, you're gonna see how beautiful the leather is. Very nice and supple. Your dash controls all work. Your video gauges are very nice, and we'll go over that later on. Your placards right here, you'll see that in the actual photo gallery, and look at how nice the rubber is when we close it. Closes nicely. Windows go up and down easily. Body lines are fantastic. One of my favorite body lines for the 70s, 60s, 70s, other than the C2 Corvette, but we're not gonna get into that today. You have your inboard brake system, so your brakes are connected or near the actual differential, and you have independent suspension in the rear. I love that. All your lights are very nice, and the gas cap is very clean. Does have a locking filler. Paint condition's very nice inside there. Once again, the chrome condition is driver quality, sort of show quality, but there are minor imperfections, so you'll see that. Looking at the rear design, it's fantastic. You have your taillights underneath the bumper. You have your dual exhaust, and I want you guys to look at the underside shots. It's gorgeous. Under there, all your bushings are nice. All the sway bar end links are very nice as well, or I guess that would be your control arm end links are very nice, and all the bolts look fresh. The actual hatch itself is probably my favorite part of the car, other than the droop right here, because it gives it such a styling cue. What you do to open it is you're gonna release a lever right here. You're gonna hear it pop. Listen to that close, it's fantastic. Now you open up, then you have a beautiful chrome holding position right there. All the actual interior panels are very nice. All the metal throughout's nice. Look at the rubber condition and how they folded over all the leather. You have your spare tire underneath here, a spare wheel and tire, and your fuel tank. Look at how nice the condition is in there. We'll have additional photos of this in the gallery. Closing it, you have your area for your luggage. So basically you can slide it in. Let's close it and look at the passenger side. Closes nicely. Passenger side condition is the same condition as the driver's side. I want you guys to look at my reflection as I walk through the actual shot here, and you can actually see me. You could probably film off the car and it would look like we're filming with the actual camera. Spoked wheels on this side are in very nice shape. We did polish them. Minor imperfections, but overall shows very well. Opening up the passenger side door, you're gonna see how nice all the metal is throughout, your nice handles and the door cards. Look at the actual interior. That leather is fantastic. The dash pad's in very nice shape and all the proper fasteners have been used. Front nose is long. So you have a 4.2 liter straight six under there with triple Stromberg carburetors. Let me open it up really quick before I keep spinning it. And we can make it nice and easy for you. Body lines are nice. All right. So you release 2 levers here. Let's turn the lights on really quick so you can see them. Lights operate. They're SU carburetors. To open it up, you just pull up on the nose, let the front bumper touch nicely. And I want you guys to look at how beautiful the engine bay is. Everything's been polished. You have your SU carburetors right there that have been synced. The choke works as it should. You do have an updated aluminum radiator with a fan. Your alternator is present, and the wiring harness is very, very nice. You do have a vintage air style compressor here that's a chrome compressor. And look at the suspension. All the bushings look good. Brakes are in great shape. Ball joints are nice. Everything for the braking system, very clean. All the hoses look good. The clamps are in nice shape. This is the one to buy if you want something that's beautiful and drives great. What do you say we take a look at the interior? Before we do that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to click like and subscribe below. We enjoy your feedback, so leave a comment. Also, if you want some merchandise, we have keychains, hats, t-shirts, the whole 9 yards. Continuing on. The interior is fantastic. So first thing you're looking at is a wooden steering wheel with no cracks in it. You have your E-type insignia right here. You have your Smith gauges throughout. So you have your speedometer that goes to 160, showing 59,265 miles on it, but just under 2,000 miles on the actual restoration. And we will have documentation below. We're just waiting for it from the client. Your gauges operate as they should. Your interior light operates. So I just clicked it, the back goes on. Your windshield wipers work. I know I'm gonna get yelled at for this, but I wanna see the triple wipers work. Oh, I gotta have to have the ignition on, hold on. Look at this. Oh yeah, they operate. Your lights operate as they should. You can hear the cooling fan going on. And my favorite part, you pull the choke here and it starts up nicely. Leather condition is very nice. You do have air condition, which will operate if you put the blower on. That's a nice lifesaver. This is overall a very, very sorted XKE. If you guys are looking for a beautiful piece to put in your collection, look no further. Center section's very nice. You do have a nice little pocket right here for paperwork documentation. Ashtray is nice and clean. It has been painted. You have your chrome emergency brake handle. Your shifter is very nice with the boot. Updated radio. Nice colored mats, so we'll pull those out so you can see how beautiful the carpet is. Rear section's nice and clean, and the headliner is very clean and tidy with the proper fasteners in place. What do you say we go for a spin? I'm gonna start it again. Oh yeah. All right, we're taking this Mark II out for a test drive. We're gonna go on to Marina Mile. We'll put it through its paces. Right now, all of my Smith gauges are operating. Transmission feels good, and I want you guys to look at the underside shots of this one. It's beautiful. Brakes are even. I do like the updated brakes up front, so it makes it more driver friendly. Tachometer is not bouncy. Speedometer is working as it should as well. No brake lights. Your lights, so you can turn on your headlights. And you can also, I guess this would be the headlight dipper. Your wipers operate as well. We're gonna jump on to this road right now, get you some beautiful shots of this black beauty. Oh, it's peppy. Clutch is nice and easy. Very smooth. Fourth gear. Nice and easy. We're going 50 miles per hour at 2,300 RPM with no issues. We put the window up a little bit so you guys get better sound. You do have an aftermarket radio. Also, it does have air condition. The air condition does blow cool, not cold. So I would check we can check the charging system before it leaves, because it is blowing probably around 70 degrees, so it needs to be charged. It's 95 here in Florida. Put the choke all the way in. No dead spots. Very peppy in fourth. Downshifting into third. Oh, it sounds good. Once again, if you guys want to fly in to take a look at this, you're more than welcome to. We are 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale Airport. We are close to 595, 95, 75, and the Turnpike. This drive's fantastic. The steering is responsive. Wipers, all three of them work. It sings. Straight 6, baby. No synchro issues. All right, you ready? Let's see how she does. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Feels good. Braking is even as well. This drive's amazing. What we're going to do is we're going to turn right here, go over our signature bumps, and let you decide if you want to put this in your collection. Indicators operating. All right, we've taken our right. Let's get our headlights on. First set of bumps right here. We're going to do it in 3rd gear. Big dip coming up. Nice and smooth. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 954-363-2261. The power delivery is fantastic. The carbs are synced properly. Idle is good. You do have an updated radio. Leather interior is fantastic. Paint condition's nice, just minor imperfections, but overall a very sorted piece that was completely restored. This truly is a beautiful machine that you can drive anywhere. I'm out of here.